Hello everyone. In the method of integration by substitution, these two forms of integrals are important. First form is integral of f of x into f dash of x integral with respect to x is given by half of f of x its square plus c. And second form is integral of f dash x upon f of x integral with respect to x is equal to logarithm of modulus of f of x plus c. Here derivative of f of x is in multiplication, and here derivative of f of x is in numerator and function f of x is in denominator. We have to apply these two formulae to evaluate the given integrals when integrand is complex, and in that case we have to split the integrand such that using substitution as new variable for some part of integrand, remaining part will be derivative of that substitution. So you can consider these two forms as formulae. Let us solve sum number 1. Integral of sin³ x into cos x integral with respect to x. First of all, let us assume I is equal to given integral sin³ x into cos x integral with respect to x. Now you can observe this integrand is complex. So splitting this integrand in two parts. First part assuming sin³ x and second part that will be cos x. Here you can use substitution for sin x, which is equal to new variable t, and now differentiate this with respect to x on both sides of this, which gives derivative of sin x is cos x dx is equal to dt. Means this cos x into dx becomes dt, and here replacing sin x by t, it becomes t³. Hence integrand I is equal to, we can write integral of t³ dt. And you know formula, integral of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus integral constant c. Applying this formula here, I is equal to n is 3, so t to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus integral constant c. I is equal to t to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c, but this answer is in new variable. We want old variable, that is x. So replacing t by our substitution sin x. Hence I is equal to, we can write 4th power of sin x divided by 4 plus integral constant c, and this is value of given integral. Let us evaluate second integral. Integral of e to the power root x divided by root x integral with respect to x. Here also we have to split this integrand because integrand is complex. Means we have to use substitution. First of all, consider I is equal to given integral e to the power root x divided by root x integral with respect to x. Now split this integrand like this, e to the power root x into 1 upon square root of x integral with respect to x. Let root x is equal to t. Then differentiate this with respect to x on both sides of this. So derivative of root x, that will be 1 upon 2 root x with respect to x is equal to dt. Meaning of this is, in integrand root x we have to replace by t, and taking this 2 on this side, 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. 1 upon root x dx we are replacing by 2 dt. Then integral becomes I is equal to integral of e to the power root x, that is e to the power t, and 1 upon root x dx is 2 dt. Taking 2 outside this integral sign, 2 into integral of e to the power t dt. And you know, integral of e to the power t with respect to t is e to the power t. 2 e to the power t plus integral constant c. This is value of this integral, but this is in new variable and our assumption is t is equal to square root of x. Replace t by square root of x, hence I is equal to 2 times e to the power root x plus integral constant c. And this is value of given integral in old variable. Old variable is x. In this way, we can solve such type of sums. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.